Rich, tell us about when we're looking at the gutters of a roof and we're replacing the roof. What do we need to look for to see if the gutters will actually need to be replaced while you're doing the roof?
All right, well, the first thing we're going to look at is actually, if you look down this way, you can actually see these gutters are nailed underneath the drip edge. Now, if these were nailed through the drip edge, the gutters would have to go. They cannot be nailed through the drip edge, and the reason for that, the reason code makes that distinction is it goes back to the wind. Once the gutter would be grabbed and start to pull off, if it's attached to the roof, because the drip edge is glued to the end shingles, it will actually pull the roof back and peel the roof back. So if we get to a roof and the spikes and ferrules actually go through the drip edge, we would remove the gutters and wouldn't have a choice about it.